to get free Temu gift card codes. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free Temu gift card codes. For that, you will need to involve participating in promotions, giveaways, or special offers directly provided by Temu or its partners. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Temu application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. So once you are logged into your account, you will reach to this page. On this homepage, you may find various gift cards provided by Temu. You will need to participate in Temu's referral program where you can earn credits or gift cards by referring friends to the platform. For that, you need to tap on this U icon or the profile icon at the bottom and from here select Redeem Credit. Once you tap on it, here you can refer your friends and get the credits. Also, Temu provides welcome offers for new users and their referral system. When you sign up as a new user on Temu, you often get access to coupons, welcome gifts, and sometimes even cash bonuses. You can redeem the free gift code and enjoy a discount on your first purchase. For that, you need to tap on this profile icon from the home page and from your select coupons and offers. Once you do that, here you will find the box where you will need to enter the gift card code. This gift card code is possibly the easiest way to land free items on Temu. You will instantly receive a free gift and enjoy discount on your first purchase using this free gift card code. So by actively participating in Temu, you can obtain free gift card codes and use them to make purchases or gift items from this platform. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.